Good evening, my dear students. This is your science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Today evening, I am here at Upadh Kshetra at Rajahmundry. See the colorful lights to the Havelock Bridge. See, they're changing the colors. Okay. So, this is the big crowd here. There are boats. This is now 7:45 p.m. Now the question to all of you, see, those lights, the colorful lights, are changing their color in no time. I mean, the moment one is changing, the last one is also changing its color. Now the question, there is one single switch because of which, the power is fed into the color line. See, the people are walking on the bridge. Okay. But now the moment some electrical operating person, whenever he is switching on this entire string of the lights, okay, it's changing the color. See, now the changed color. Earlier it was the blue and now it has become red. Now the most beautiful question for all of you is, in a split of second, how they are changing colors for all this? Okay. That is the interesting question for all of you. Okay. Now they're changing the colors of the lamps. There are many lamps are installed on this old Havelock Bridge, on which I used to go to my school almost 45 years ago. I'm in the mid 70s. Okay. Now my interesting question for all of you, how they are changing the colors for all these lamps. See, they're flashing. They are doing a lot of, they are changing a lot of patterns. See how beautifully they are changing the patterns. This is a boat going there. Okay. Some people are going for a boat ride. And you see the colors changing, the patterns are changing. Who is changing all these patterns for kilometers of this bridge? The length of this bridge is so far. See, they are changing the colors. See, here is an engine for this boat, and people can sit onto this boat, and a person can switch on this engine. This is a diesel engine, okay? Around 3 HP diesel engine. See how beautiful is this? How the colors are changing. How the pattern of the colors are changing from one color to the other. The combination of the colors are, there are many colors are changed. See, they are dancing, they are changing from that side to this side to that side. They are also changing the colors, whatnot. They are changing many things. This is wonderful. See how they are controlling the electric power. For all this entire bridge, they have arranged the lights. So what is the mechanism? Like, what is the power they are controlling? I mean, in what pattern they are controlling all these colors. Very interesting. You all can think, and then we can do such kind of activity with all our LEDs, and we'll involve the Arduino programming, whatnot. Okay. So this is the temple complex of this area.